Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can wirelessly charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 by using any other phone that has wireless charging. So of course your other phone that you want to use in order to charge your Galaxy Z Flip 6 needs to have the power sharing option. Now most of the times, if you want to enable that option, if it's actually available on your other phone, you can find it by going to settings, and then you need to go to battery settings, and then somewhere over here you should be able to have a power sharing option. In the case of this device, it's over here. However, you don't have to enable this option on Galaxy Z Flip 6 if you want to charge it and by using any other device. So this is just to showcase how to find it on your other device. Once you have that option enabled, now I'm gonna of course use my wireless charger instead, because I don't have any other device at this moment that can be used for wireless charging. But the general idea in order to charge your Galaxy Z Flip 6 is that you should place your device on this side over here. More precisely, this is like the center of the wireless charging spot, and this is where you need to place on the other device after following the instructions of the other device, how to wirelessly charge other devices. So let's say this is the other phone. Over here we have the wireless charging spot, and I need to place it not in the middle like so, like over here, but more towards the bottom, so this section. And there we go. Now we can charge the Galaxy Z Flip 6 wirelessly by using other phone. And of course, if you have your Z Flip 6 folded, then of course you need to put it on this side in order to charge the device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!